It was all for her. If you didn't see the first part, I recommend to watch it firstly. Elevators are also made in our country. You can see marble mosaics, ceilings and wall-wood applique. This is how rich Ukraine is.
Потолок, стены, деревянная аппликация. Вот какая у нас Украина богатая.
In the video from the day of Yanukovych's escape, you can see how he carried his things out of here. In the document, the knight was bought as antique, but in fact it's modern. This is evidence that Yanukovych didn't understand anything in art and always just wanted to have the most expensive stuff, but was often deceived. The whole mosaic were made in our country. Artists were forbidden to design their artwork. The entire first floor is made from oak. And here is another example of deception. Here the manager forgot to tear off the label. Production in Ukraine, and on the sofa the label is made in Italy. And according to the documents and the price, everything arrived as made in Italy. Moving on, one of the dining rooms, and the skin of real crocodile. And that is indoors barbecue, with ventilation. All the flowers are real. Under the flowers all pots are covered with snakeskin. Можно потрогать, да? Iranian handmade silk carpet. It's all 2011. And the next room is the indoor cinema. A projector moves out near the TV to massage chairs for a massage. If he didn't even let his sons in here, who came here? Himself, with his mistress. And one more reason why he was afraid to let someone in here, they said that mosaic isn't 15th century, but modern.
То есть ему врали, что много чего краденого, и он боялся пускать?
They will declassify the deception, and someone else will come and put a camera. Wiretapping. They will follow him. And here we have pots pasted over with shells, mother of pearl. Somewhere from the ocean. It's clearly not from the Dnieper river. Elevator to the next floor. Wow! Chandelier planted with gold and Swarovski crystals. Chandelier weight 1 ton, 250 kilograms. Price for covering with gold 200,000 euros.
Жесть.
I feel like a queen here. And guess, what is here near the chandelier? Yes, it's the church. It's made by our people, but they had no idea where it would go. For sure they were thinking it's for the church. You can see how talented our people are. But the most funny thing is that on the other side of the icon is a toilet. And now we will go to his own room.
Уже он не уставал тут ходить вокруг?
This is Yanukovych's dressing room. And this is his bathroom. On the other side is the church. Right after he was praying, he came here to pee. So much religious person. How many things does one man need? And this is his bedroom. Everything is made from wood, because wood is the purest material. And now we go to his balcony. Everything he saw, he thought belongs to him. During the day, here is a perfect view of the Dnieper River. We saw it day before our tour. It's a Ukrainian musical instrument trombita. To transmit the signal from one village to the other, buzzed in trombita.
Да? Класс!
It's his mistress's room. She lived like in golden cage. He gave her everything but stole her freedom. She chose money, and when she enjoyed a rich life, returning back to a normal life was too late. And she had to escape together with him. And one more bathroom for her. Here is a blue stone made in Brazil. 1 meter of rough stone cost more than $10,000. And displays for her jewelry, rings, etc. But why does she need it if she cannot wear this and go out? And for sure, she didn't have an Instagram.
А Инстаграма у нее что же не было, да?
These stairs are also made from blue stone and price was more than $1 million. This is a living room. The pots are also decorated with crocodile skin. This is the tea room. Neither chandeliers nor lamps are repeated in the house. Chandeliers alone can make an exhibition. This clock made in France in the 17th century, with alarm function, very rare, collectible. That is not fake. And now we go to the dining room. How did he not get tired of walking here? And other elevator for the food delivery. A carpet for 200,000 euros is made during 4 years, 26 square meters. Grand piano Steinway and Sons with John Lennon autograph. There are 25 of them in the world. This is the game room here.
Тут у нас игровая комната.
Ceiling made of walnut. Music box, that vinyl them.
Сейчас включу, будет
Why music brand since 1865. Paid for this box $460,000. This brand has been making musical boxes from 1865 to the present day. It tells about the fact that the company cares about the people and the person works and earns money in peace. So that's all for today. I would like to know how do you like this video, give me feedback, because on the other side of the screen I don't know your reaction. You can show me this with a like or leave a comment. And I also have Patreon. Please support my videos and I can continue making more. So thank you. Ciao.